In conjunction with the main counter, you'll also notice that there's a main ruler up above in the edit window. In the edit window, each one of those elements that we saw as a counter option are available to be visible in the ruler, bars and beats, minutes and seconds, and beyond. And we can add timecode, feet and frames, or samples. Additionally, up top, we also see a few features that don't exist in the counter, and those are markers, tempo, meter, key, and any additional chords. It is very common to use tempo and markers very effectively. If we look at this session, we can actually slide over and begin to see different sections in the markers as we move from song section to song section. The marker section here includes sections like the intro, the verse, the chorus, and beyond.